Hey everyone! If you've been anywhere near web development Twitter, or should I say X, this year you've probably seen the buzz. There's a new front-end framework on the block, and trust me, it's making React and Vue look, well, a bit old school. So, what's this game changer everyone's flocking to in 2025? Let's dig in. Introducing. You heard that right, Nova.js. It's not just fast, it's blazingly fast. But that's not even the best part. Nova OS is all about developer happiness. You get the elegance of Svelte, the component logic of React, and the smooth transitions of Vue wrapped up in a package that actually makes sense. Let me break it down. Remember the days when you'd spend hours configuring Webpack, Babel, and praying your hot reload would actually reload? With Nova.js, setup is instant. You literally type and you're good to go, no more dependency nightmares. Now, let's talk performance. Nova.js compiles your code to super-optimized vanilla.js. That means lightning-fast load times, smooth animations, and a Core Web Vitals score that will make your SEO team do a happy dance. But here's what really blew me away. Nova's reactivity model. It's so intuitive. No more hunting for the right use effect hook or getting tangled in prop drilling. You update your state and boom, the UI just knows what to do. Documentation? It's actually fun to read. There are interactive code playgrounds, clear examples, and a Discord community that answers your questions before you even finish typing. Now, let's be real. Is Nova.js perfect? Not yet. The ecosystem is still growing. Some tools and libraries haven't caught up, but honestly, the pace of innovation is wild. I'm seeing more NPM packages for Nova every week. So why is everyone switching? It's simple. Developers want to ship faster and maintain less. Nova.js removes so much boilerplate you actually spend time building features, not fighting the framework. My own productivity has doubled, and my code base is cleaner than ever. If you're curious, I say, give Nova.js a try. Spin up a quick project, play around, and see why it's dominating 2025. Trust me, you won't look back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more dev insights and let me know. Are you switching to Nova.js or still holding on to React for dear life? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.